Hello, I'm Bernie Martin, the service designer working on the digital planning project. As a service designer, one of my main roles is to map the experience and processes of a service. This includes the as-is and to-be states. But in plain English, this means understanding what the service users and providers experience when using and supplying the service. What bottlenecks and pain points does an end user experience, and are there any duplications or missed opportunities that the providers cover? One of the main aims of mapping these processes and experiences is to create a shared understanding for the project team as we develop and move from insights to testing and problem solving. By highlighting and visually exploring the current state and visionary state of a service, we are hopefully removing assumptions and working towards a unified goal supported by evidence. But in practical terms, what does this mean for the planning project? We met with some of the local planning authorities and mapped their internal processes alongside the householder's journey of the pre-app planning service. This means it could highlight and show what opportunities there were to enhance and improve the current journey and process. Another example was balancing the target outcomes for both the Welsh Government planning team and the local planning authorities, while also trying to create a more seamless journey for the householders while using the service. The service needs to work for everyone. My project highlight has been to have the opportunity to work at all levels of the service, from understanding the householder's current experience to the connection and sharing of the local planning authority's current challenges, to even working with policymakers in Welsh Gov and understanding where they see the service in the future. The most challenging aspects of the project for me has been balancing the need to zoom in on each individual local planning authority to understand their challenges and unique view, to then zoom out again to create a pan-Wales view that could be flexible enough to work for everyone but impactful enough to make a difference. To tackle this, it has been really important at each stage to remember what we're needing to get out of each session or diagram, as well as who will be using the outputs. This focuses what level of detail is included and the type of language that we're using. Our next steps are now moving into the final prototyping stage, where we can iterate and enhance the recommended to-be process and user journey of the pre-app application process to improve capacity, clarity and efficiency, as well as a better experience for the Welsh homeowners.